Welcome to my channel. This is of the this is one of the best integral, and this is here 0 to 1 ln gamma x and dx. Okay, and that value is equal to half of ln 2 pi. Okay, ln means logarithm to the base e. Okay, now see, and this is here procedure, that is I equal to 0 to 1 ln gamma x and dx, and this is equal to 0 to 1. Apply the rules here, ln gamma 1 minus x and dx, and since this is a property 0 to a f of a minus x f of x and dx, and that is equal to 0 to a, we can write f of a minus x and dx. This is the rules we apply here. Okay, and adding these two as a I plus I, so 0 to 1 ln gamma x and dx, and again 0 to 1 ln gamma 1 minus x and dx, and this is equal to 0 to 1 ln gamma x and gamma 1 minus x and dx, and that is from gamma function is equal to, this is here gamma x, gamma 1 minus x, and that is equal to pi by sin x pi. Okay, this is the formula from gamma function. Okay, we can write here now ln and pi by sin x pi and dx here, and that is equal to, we can write here like 0 to 1 ln pi dx minus 0 to 1 ln sin pi x and dx, and since gamma x, gamma 1 minus x is equal to pi by sin pi x. Okay, this is the formula. And now see, let us assume this integral as a j. See here, let j is equal to 0 to 1 ln sin pi x and dx, and this is as a let y is equal to pi x, then if 0, this is here value of x is 0, we put here, then we get here 0. If we put 1, then we get pi here. Okay, and this is ln sin y. If we differentiate this, then we get here like dy dx equal to pi dx. Okay, dy dx is equal to pi dx, since dy is equal to pi dx. Okay, and that is here, we can put in place of dx, that is 1 by pi, and that is dy. Okay, and this is equal to 1 by pi 0 to pi ln sin y and dy. Now see here, it can be written as like, and this is let us assume as a 1, and now 0 to pi, this is here ln sine y. It can be read as can be right. Okay, this is one, and this is sine y and dy, and this is, we use the interval like pi 0 to pi by 2 and ln sine y and dy, and also can be written this is pi by 2 to pi. Now we want to prove these two integrals are same here. So for that, we let us assume for the second integral, this is here number 2. Okay, again this is pi by 2 to pi and ln sine y dy. Let y is equal to pi minus x. So differentiate dy equal to minus dx here. So this is equal to, we can write, if pi by 2 put here, then we get pi by 2 here. If we put here pi, then we get 0 here. So ln and sine, this is here y. Okay, let us assume this is a z. Okay, sorry, this is y here and this is z. So dz and this is dy. Okay, this is their y. Y means pi minus and z, and differentiation here is dy is minus and dz. There is minus, so limit are changed from 0 to pi by 2, and ln sine z and dz, and we can easily write with the variable of y. So z tends to, if y, when z tends to y, then this is pi by 2 ln sine y and dy, and this is from here 3. So, and this is, let us assume j1. From 2 and 3 we get here, that is here j1. This is the first integral 0 to pi by 2 ln sine y and dy, and these also you have proved that 0 to pi by 2 ln sine y and dy. So this is twice times of and 0 to pi by 2 ln sine y and dy. It can be also written in the variable of x here. Not needed to write here. Okay. This is here j1. This is here value j1. This is here. Okay, this is here j1. For that, okay, and this is j. Therefore, j is equal to here 1 by pi, and this is equal to 2 into, it is from 1 and 4. We can write here, this is 1 and 4. Okay. This is j, y and 4, and that is equal to 1 by pi, and the value of that is this. Okay, this value is replaced here, so this is 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 ln sin y and dy. 2 by pi 0 pi by 2 ln sin y and dy here. Now we want to find the value of that. Okay, so see here, this is j2, 0 to pi by 2 ln sin y and dy. 0 to pi by 2, use the property, this is pi by 2 minus sin minus y and dy. So this is 0 to pi by 2 ln cos y dy. If we added this 2j, okay, then this is 2j2, and that is equal to, you can write here 0 to pi by 2, that is these two log, so it can be written as log ln of their product. This is sin y and cos y multiplied by 2 and divided by 2, and this is dy, and that is equal to 0 to pi by 2, that is ln sin twice y and dy minus 0 to pi by 2 ln 2 dy. Again, write the limit here, j3, this is 0 to pi by 2 ln sin twice y and dy. So right here like that, if we take, this is a twice y, this is a twice y as a m is equal to twice y. So we can write here, if we put 0, then we got 0 here. If we put pi by 2, then we get pi here. So ln and sin m, if we differentiate this, then we get here dy is equal to 1 by 2 dm. So there is a half, and that is equal to 0 to pi ln sin m and dm here, and this can be written as 0 to pi by 2. So 2 by 2 0 to pi by 2 ln sin m and dm, 0 to pi by 2 ln sin m and dm. Okay, so this is here j, therefore the j2 is equal to, this is the value of that, so you can write 0 to pi by 2 and sin ln sin m and dm, and that is here ln 2. So this is pi by 2 into pi by 2 here. See, this is j2, and j2, this is here 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 ln sin dy. Okay, there is a 2j2, that is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this is the value of 2j2. So 2j2 is equal to ln sin m dm minus pi by into pi, locked into pi by 2. This is the value of that, is this, substitute here. So we get 2j2 is this. So same figure is came from that, 0 to pi by 2. We can write with the value of y ln m or dy, and this is minus pi by 2 ln 2, and that is equal to, this is here 2j, 2j2 is equal to, this is here j2 also. Okay, this is minus pi by 2 ln 2 implies that, so this minus this is j2 here and minus pi by 2 ln 2. Okay, this is j2, and now this is here j, therefore the j is equal to, see, j2 0 to pi by 2 ln sin y dy, 0 to pi by 2 ln sin y dy, this is j2 except 2 pi by 2, and this is the value of j2. j2 is this minus pi by 2 ln 2, and that is only ln 2. Okay, this is ln 2 minus only ln 2, pi by 2 are cancelled, minus ln 2. Okay, and this is here j, and this is the value of j, means is this. Okay, see here is this. Okay, and this is here j, therefore 2y, and this 2y is equal to this. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 ln 0 to 1 ln dx, and minus this is here minus ln 2. Okay, this is here ln pi, and dx is means only l pi plus ln 2. Okay, ln 2 pi here, therefore this is 2i, therefore I is equal to half ln 2 pi. Okay, this is an interesting question for this video. See carefully.